Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Bak Prestone Tensong, habaju bak halor ke jingkeno ba Uwei ni Nongïalam jong ke Seng usam Pisa kipat ba, bat na kaliang kipat ba kilo ujor syaga Election Commission, ha ka ba na kaliang CEO lapha syaga Deputy Commissioner ban Tokyen, ula ong ba umdon AA ban ong halor ketiga benta, baru klem pat yu jingtip na kibor district. Ula ong ru ba daytat hadian balapan menayang Model Code of Conduct, bat ha kata kapor kiriban bot digi kendon, la ka de ha Nongïalam pat ba karali ni kinu. Syuk na kaliang ba tensong ulaong ba umtip la ka de ka ba Shisha ni em. Ula benrap da ka ba ong ba ka Seng kan kali na uniu Nongïalam tat la da ka de bo pen ken an hendai menta ka de tang ka jingkano la ka ni ka jingkano ka de ni ka laj ru umpat la bantim.
Because see, until this model code of conduct is in place, then only the rules has to be strictly followed. I think you know, even the timing for public meeting or for rally or for anything, that will be in place. But right now, well, the allegation made, I have seen it in the newspaper, they said that they, Daskiat or candidate, they're disputing money, but that I don't know, maybe their scheme or that, you see, I can't say right now, and I'm yet to get also the report from the district administration. So you see, these kind of things, I don't know whether it is true or not. That let us see. If you really get the report from the district administration, maybe I'll be able to comment on that.
Will the party ask him, or because since there were complaints against him, will the party ask him about the fact?
No. Why should we ask him? If any violation, yes. But right now, that is the allegation. As I said to you, that is the allegation made. So whether this allegation is proved to be right or wrong, that we don't know yet. That's what I'm telling you right now. We can't say anything. Since the chief election officer has already referred this matter to the district administration, so let the district administration take all the steps to verify, and then if necessary, maybe they will send the report to the government.